Welcome to Smart Chain BSC Smart Contract. Decentralization. What does decentralized mean? What are the advantages and what are the benefits? Decentralized marketing is created with an automated contract that offers you maximum security and sustainability. A smart contract is an automatic execution algorithm. It exists within the Tron blockchain, one of the top cryptographics currency. Smart contracts, like cryptocurrencies, are decentralized. They work strictly according to the underlying program, without the possibility of subsequently changing the defined execution. The code that contains all the logic of the contract expiration is on the blockchain and all calculations are provided by millions of computers around the world. This ensures that there is no risk of hacking into the smart contract and stopping the project. How does Super Matrix marketing work? Super Matrix marketing is a fair, economically sound system without deadlines for slots, with a limited number of places and an unlimited number of recycles. In the Super Matrix X3 program below you is 3 places in one line. In the Super Matrix X4 program below you are 2 lines, 2 places in the first line and 4 places in the second. When you register in Super Matrix, you open both programs simultaneously. Slots X3 and X4. In each of these two programs, Super Matrix X3 and Super Matrix X4 have 12 slots. All similar and work in the same way. Each subsequent slot is 2 times more expensive than the previous one. Both income and profits from them are twice as high. How many slots can be activated immediately? As much as you want. At least all 12 at once. They have no expiration date, so you cannot be afraid that they will burn. All active slots move and bring your revenue in parallel. Registration. To get registered in Super Matrix, a new member activates the first slots in X3 and X4 programs, which cost 0.0025 BNB each. It makes it 0.005 BNB in total to register. The first slots of X3 and X4 are always activated together, they cannot be purchased separately. Next slots upgrades can be activated separately but only one after another. After the launch of X3 and X4 programs on BSC, 2 more programs will be added consequently, one at a time. Launch schedule to be announced: XXX and X Gold. XXX program first slot costs 0.005 BNB and can be activated only after at least the first slots in X3 and X4 were activated before. X Gold first slot is 0.1 BNB and can only be activated after at least one slot in XXX was purchased. Super Matrix X3. All partners in your slots of the Super Matrix X3 program are your personally referred partners. When you invite partners, they take places under you. The distribution of payments when filling out the matrix automatically occurs as follows: the first referral partner takes a place under you. 100% payout goes to your personal wallet. The second referral partner takes second place below you. Payment is also instantly credited to your personal wallet. The third partner takes third place below you. You again receive 100% income, but in the form of recycle. Recycle opens the same slot for you again, and you continue to receive income from it. Reopening the slot, you take next free place in your superior partner's slot. Accordingly, 100% for recycle is transferred to your superior. Super Matrix X4. In parallel, the Super Matrix X4 program also works for you. Here an overflow system is organized from above and from below. We are building a team together. There may be at least all of you invited, at least not one invited by you, or mixed. Partners who takes 2 places below you in the first line are 2 places in the second line of the higher. A 100% payment goes to the wallet of your higher partner. You also receive income from the second line, 100% from 4 people. Of these, 3 payments go instantly to your wallet. The last payout is the closing slot, and it also makes a recycle, buying you the same slot again, and the payment of 100% is transferred to your higher partner. Recycle. Recycle. This is the reopening, repurchase of the slot at the current level. Recycle opens the same slot for you again, and you continue to receive income from it. Without a recycle, a slot would close and stop. Recycle is done automatically. As soon as the last free place is taken by a partner, the current slot closes and goes to the archive. You reoccupy the free space in the slot of a higher partner, and a new slot of the same level with free places opens for you, and 100% payment goes to the wallet of your higher partner. Similarly, your referral partners will have recycles, and you will instantly receive income every time. Upgrade. Upgrade is the opening purchase of the next slot of a more expensive level. It is done once at the first opening of the slot. The payment goes to your superior partner, provided that he has a slot of this level. There is enough income from each slot to recycle the slot of the same level and buy a slot of the next level. You decide whether to purchase the next level slot. A recycle of the slot occurs automatically. If the next slot is not open for you, then from the second round after recycle, all payments will be redirected to a higher partner. When you buy the necessary slot, then at the next recycle your referral partner will take a place under you, and with each recycle will take a place under you again. Overflows, overtaking and returns. You can overtake your superior partner by opening slots which he has not yet reached. In this case, you get up to his superior partner, the closest who has such level of the slot, and the income goes to him. If he doesn't have this slot available, then in the same way you are already overtaking 2 superiors until the system finds a partner who already has active slot of this level. Referral link returns the partners. This means that when your superior buys this slot, then the next recycle, you will again take a place under him. Profit. Before the launch of the Super Matrix programs on BCS, it is important to get your team ready with the tools and right assets. BNB format, BEP20. It's time to talk about crypto wallets that can already be used to buy, store BNB and then participate in the marketing of our community. 4 main crypto wallets. 1. Trust Wallet, a decentralized wallet from Binance Exchange for mobile devices. Thanks to the integration with Simplex provider, you can buy BNB inside your wallet using Visa Mastercard card. Apple Pay is also available for buying crypto. When buying from a card, the commission in Trust Wallet can reach 12%. At the same time, the minimum purchase amount from a credit card is $50, the maximum is $20,000. In Trust Wallet, BNB coin of BEP20 format we need is called Smart Chain BNB. Not to be confused with BNB format BEP2. Also, inside the wallet, you can buy another cryptocurrency BTC, ETH, and swap it to Smart Chain BNB. Official website, web links to Token Pocket, an easy to use, decentralized wallet that supports a lot of blockchains, including BSC. The wallet has many functions: transfers, trading, conversion, asset management, dApp store, etc. If you already have TRX on your wallet, you can swap it to BNB. For example, TRX BNB. The minimum limit of TRX for one swap is 1500 TRX, approximately equals $81.50. Maximum 30,000 TRX, approximately equals $1,631. Official website, web links. 13. Binance Exchange. If you have already created an account on Binance, you can buy BNB on the exchange. A simple registration procedure and the ability to purchase cryptocurrency with fiat will allow you to buy BNB and send it to your decentralized wallet. Over 70 BNB trading pairs are available on the exchange. Withdrawal limit per day without KYC, 2 BTC. Binance withdrawal fees for BNB, BEP20 BSC 0.0008 BNB, BEP2, BC 0.001 BNB. Official website, web links for Binance Chain Wallet. An analog of the MetaMask wallet is Binance Chain for Binance blockchains. A wallet designed for sending and receiving funds in Binance Smart Chain, Binance Chain, and cross-chain transfers. It works on the principle of a browser extension. You install the extension in the browser store, create a wallet and manage your cryptocurrency. Official website, web links. The above methods should be enough for buying BNB, but if you decide to use other wallets, we strongly recommend that you carefully read their terms and conditions and be sure to check for BNB support in the Binance Smart Chain blockchain. Thank you. Binance Smart Chain BSC Smart Contract. It's time to take your place in crypto. Super Matrix. Secure your future.